Query from Mumbai, Maharashtra. No unity within dentists. Most of them are working on less fees. As I said, the same pain point can be severe for some, medium for some. There will be a few repetitions as well, but it is a good thing. When we put on a month's gap or a 2 months gap for these kind of things, it becomes a learning exercise for all of you as well in that sense. So no unity within the dentist. We don't have a common platform. One common platform only exists, which has 25% members or less than 25% members. Come on that platform. Numbers are powerful. Can we do anything for dental insurance in India? The government of India tried something in Rajasthan. Dr. Rajiv Chittaguppi from Mumbai, in his personal capacity, tried a lot. You can say a couple of years before COVID. There are a lot of, you can say, I would say, documentation level or maybe restriction level loopholes at IRDAI. Probably, we believe that dental insurance is going to come sooner or later in India, at least in the government sphere. And somehow, the government setups are not that equipped up to handle that kind of load. So, and probably it will trickle down to private dentists getting enrolled in that sphere. I foresee those things that probably that is going to happen in the government sphere very soon. And probably the work will trickle down to us as well in some capacity in one or the another, maybe through the empanelment, maybe enrollment or whatever way. So that is my belief. So query from Thane, Maharashtra. In personal capacity, I don't think we can do much for dental insurance in India.